Good morning, Hong Kong. We're back this week with a pretty important subject, home insurance. Now, you may not think home insurance is all that important because Hong Kong is a safe city, and Hong Kong is a safe city, but people still get burgled. On Tuesday, February 28, 2023, a report in the SCMP noted that an individual was burgled from their 9th floor apartment in Sha Tin while out having dinner, resulting in the loss of 1.8 million Hong Kong dollars in cash and valuables and about 960,000 Hong Kong dollars in watches. The burglar had scaled drain pipes leading to the apartment and had ransacked the flat while the owner was away. This is a rarity in Hong Kong, as many of the city's burglaries are confined to single residence houses rather than high-rise apartment blocks with on-site security. But it does show that this type of crime can happen to anyone living anywhere in the city. Home contents insurance, also known as renter's insurance in the USA, is the most common form of home insurance cover in Hong Kong. This type of protection covers all the stuff in your home, your personal possessions, valuables, tools, and heirlooms. Coverage for your valuables can be easily obtained in most cases for up to about 7.5 million Hong Kong dollars. And one feature of home insurance coverage in Hong Kong that is beneficial to everyone is the existence of the worldwide all-risk benefit. Now, this is a fairly standard and easy to find benefit under renter's insurance in Hong Kong and protects your belongings anywhere in the world, no matter what happens to them. From laptops, computers stolen out of taxis to clothes and luggage gone missing while you're overseas on holiday, the fact that worldwide all-risk protection exists on home contents insurance gives policyholders a great deal of both flexibility and security. However, in the case of the recent burglary, the loss of the watches as an expensive single item may run into what's known as a single item limit for standalone home contents protection. For example, under many home insurance plans, jewelry, including watches, will be capped per loss, often in the region of about 50,000 Hong Kong dollars per occurrence. Without specifying his watches or specifically naming them for full value under the policy, the owner would be without protection for about 910 of his $960,000 loss. High-value items like watches and other expensive jewelry normally exceed the total coverage offered by many standard home contents insurance products in Hong Kong. Because of this, owners of pricey possessions and high-value collections need to think about more specialized products. Private collections insurance is easily obtainable with up to 20 million Hong Kong dollars in coverage for private collections and a further 5 million Hong Kong dollars for specified jewelry protection. By obtaining extended home insurance protection that specifically names things like artworks or cigars or even your priceless comic book and Magic the Gathering card collection, you ensure that no matter what happens, you are not losing your valuables. Home insurance doesn't just stop at the loss of your stuff, though. In Hong Kong, it's possible to obtain home insurance that covers credit cards, forgery and counterfeiting, identity theft, golf exposures, property damage that you cause to others, losses caused by pets, rent you owe, security upgrades, and many, many more. No matter what sort of apartment you live in, whether you rent or you own, or if you're in Stanley or Sai Kung, your home probably has things you care about in it. Things which you would be upset if they were accidentally lost, damaged, or even stolen. Home contents coverage can help. That's us for this week. As always, we hope you have a happy and healthy weekend. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay current with all our content as it comes out. And remember to ask CCW. We're simplifying your insurance.